The scale gizmo command.
Open the 3D template that was created in article Creating Template for 3D Modeling. Click the right window that you see on the screen. Click the View menu, select Viewports and select one viewport.
The scale gizmo command allows you to resize selected objects uniformly. Resize them along an X, Y, or Z axis, or resize them along a specified plane. You can select the Scale Gizmo tool from the dashboard. Select the Mesh Box tool and draw a parallelepiped. Select the Scale Gizmo tool. Click the parallelepiped. The Scale Gizmo appeared. To specify resizing along an axis, click the axis. For example, click the X-axis. The X-axis is highlighted. AutoCAD prompts specify scale factor. Type 2 and press Enter. You can see result on the screen. To specify resizing along a plane, click the double lines between the axes. For example, click the double line between X and Y axis. You specified XY plane. AutoCAD prompts specify scale factor. Type 2 and press Enter. Press the Escape key to end the command. You can see result on the screen.